I've got a new toy. I picked this up for 20 bucks at a yard sale. Look at the size of that motor. This machine is built like a tank, so that's what I'm going to call him. Tank. He's an industrial, a Singer 3115. When I first saw him I thought maybe 1930s, 40s, but no, he's older than that. He looks like he's spent 30 years at the back of somebody's shed, because he has. The last owner forgot he was there. He was hidden behind a pile of clutter and rat droppings. I'm Ollie, this is Simply Stitchy. Can Tank be brought back to life, or is he yard art? Well, the clutch motor runs, but nothing is moving. The belt is a bit loose, not sure it's supposed to have that much slack. A bit more sewing machine oil here and there. Let's try again. This poor thing hasn't seen a drop in decades. If Tank sews this well in this condition, can't wait to see how he does when he's fixed. Starting the restoration. Tank is rusty. We're using high strength vinegar. It's about 30% vinegar. For perspective, food grade vinegar is around 5%. So don't put this stuff on your fries. It's toxic, but incredibly good at eating rust. At this stage I'm still hopeful we can save Tank's decals, or what's left of them, on the top of the machine, but the base is beyond hope. It's rough, uneven and needs stripping. I might have to rethink the top. Tim says it would have been easier to strip the lot, but that would lose Tank's history, you know, pin rash, patina and stuff like that. We're cleaning the base now, or rather Tim is cleaning the base with the highly acidic vinegar, wire wool and some sandpaper. Next, some denatured alcohol to clean away the dust and debris. You need to keep applying the alcohol until no more residue comes away on the cloth. It can take a while doing it this way. Tim mentioned that dipping the whole machine in an acid bath would have been simpler. He sounds a bit miffed. An acid bath sounds a bit dodgy to me, and it would have eaten away what's left of the decals. On to the masking tape. It needs to go around anything and everything that we don't want spray painted. Need to apply a coat of primer first. Ironically, it's rust coloured. Tim's done this before. That's some professional level spray paint control, which is why I'm not doing it. I'd have painted my trousers, my hands, the floor. Okay, so we hit a bit of a snag about here. The paint we are using is Rust-Oleum and the tin says ink black. And as you can see, that paint is definitely not black. It's blue. And it highlights the really bad state of the decals and the paintwork on top. I'm not happy about it, but we're going to have to strip the lot. I tried. I really did try to keep as much of the old machine intact as possible, and I feel so bad. But it's all got to come off. At least that way everything will be blue, including me. As the paint stripper got to work, it uncovered something. This machine has been resprayed before. Only last time whoever did it painted over the old decals, so the ones I tried to save weren't even original. That makes me feel a little less blue and explains why I was confused about the machine's age. Looks even bluer now. Need to strip the paints from the balance wheel too. More masking tape. It's a team effort. There's a lot to cover. Would it have been easier to strip the lot in the first place? Yes, absolutely. Just don't tell Tim. Shh, it's our little secret. While we wait for the paint to dry, we can start on the table. Still to come, replacing the decals, putting the machine back together, renovating the table, and seeing how Tank runs. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next video. You can also become a channel member to get early access to long form videos and other perks. Thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.